Welcome to the dawn of the automation revolution, where AI's transformative power redefines the future. At its core, automation leverages artificial intelligence to revolutionize industries, making operations smarter and more efficient. AI-driven automation boosts productivity and ensures unparalleled precision. Imagine advanced manufacturing with smart factories and robotic assembly lines, all orchestrated by AI for flawless production. In the realm of supply chain management, AI is the game changer, enhancing logistics, forecasting, and inventory for optimal outcomes. The customer experience is reimagined with AI, where chatbots and personalized services redefine engagement and satisfaction. Data-driven decisions powered by AI analytics lead businesses to new heights, outpacing competition with informed strategies. This revolution isn't about replacing humans, but forging a collaborative future where innovation thrives. Watch our next video to know about machine learning magic and AI.